Njoki, KTN News.
And the High Court has prohibited the National Police Service from using excessive force during protest. In the ruling by Justice Mugure Thande, the police have consequently been barred from employing water cannons, tear gas, live ammunition, rubber bullets or other harsh measures against protesters. The ruling resulted from a petition filed by lawyer Saitabao Ole Kanchori. Justice Thande further ruled that the police should not use brutal force or any form of violence against protesters. The court also issued an order prohibiting the police from committing extrajudicial killings, arrests, abductions, detentions, harassment, intimidation, torture or any cruel, inhuman and degrading treatment of protesters. The petitioner, Kanchori, had argued in court that the police had resorted to arbitrary arrest and illegal abductions of protesters along with intimidation and harassment. He told the court that the police have been violating the protesters' rights to liberty and their freedom from torture. Kenyans went to the streets to protest against the passage of the Finance Bill 2024 and poor governance. The protests resulted in property destruction and loss of lives, which are being attributed to the excessive force used by the police while confronting the protesters. And former Cabinet Minister